The video you can see playing now is a great example of what can be achieved with modern AI, given the right technology partners such as SI, NVIDIA, and HPE. While many such solutions rely on specialist high-resolution cameras, this one can leverage existing cameras to create tangible business value through outcomes such as predictable plane turnaround times, perimeter safety monitoring, and process compliance. The application of this kind of solution to DPDHL is clear. It's a marquee solution, it's a big solution, and it's one that could have a significant impact across your business. While these large marquee solutions sit at one end of the scale, it's not what I want to speak to you about today. That would be far too obvious. What I really want to speak to you about today isn't the big at all, it's the small. For every large marquee solution in a business like yours, there are many thousands of far smaller decision points that would also benefit from the application of data science. I'd like you to think for a moment about what it would mean for your business and your three key focus areas of automation, sustainability, and customer if you could leverage AI to optimize each step of every business process. Imagine what a difference that would make. Importantly, while you can buy large marquee solutions from partners such as SI, NVIDIA, and HPE, you only have to ask after all. That's not possible for the thousands of smaller decisions. You can't buy this kind of capability and capacity. You need to build it. The world of sport gives us an excellent analog here. Some years ago, the performance director of Team Sky in the UK cycling realized how to win. They needed to do something differently. They developed the concept of marginal gains. By decomposing each step in the training and racing process, they had the opportunity to improve each by just a fraction. But these fractions all added up. For cycle racing, these small improvements added up to victories and gold medals. For DPDHL, by optimizing each step of every business process through the application of AI would mean far greater automation and compliance to norms, reduction in carbon footprints, improving customer satisfaction rates. The list is endless after all. Now, you may already have data scientists working across your business, so you may already be thinking to yourself, what difference is this going to make? Is this just another tool to add to our long list of things we have in our business? How will this really shift the needle for our ability to deliver AI projects? While the promise of data science is great, we need to recognize that the reality can often lag far behind. If you read industry analysts such as Gartner and Forrester, you'll know that many data scientists, very many data science solutions look great on the workbench, but as many as 85% of them fail to make it into production. These failures have a direct impact on the scale and throughput of AI solutions in any business, as the appetite in the business is reduced. And that often means that only large marquee solutions can be tackled, rather than the smaller ones we're talking about here. The good news is that data science has reached an important inflection point. Critical new tools and frameworks have emerged from the open source community that address some of the key limitations that existed in the kit bag before. These allow model deployments to be quickly and simply implemented using strategies such as shadow, canary, and A/B testing, so they can be simply configured rather than coded, and model deployments, the performance of model deployments monitored over time to ensure the process continues as was intended. These tools are all new though. Most are based on Kubernetes and often lack enterprise features such as security and compliance with development standards, Git integration and the like. To overcome these issues and drive AI adoption in DPDHL so you can optimize the many as well as the few, we think the answer lies in HPE's composable MLOps solution. It's one that harnesses the rapid innovation of the open source community and puts it into a framework that connects these tools and those from other commercial vendors, perhaps ones you're already using, into an enterprise class backend of data and security, presenting a unified experience. In this video, we started off by looking at the marquee solution that highlighted the art of the possible with AI today. And while such projects are important, they represent just a fraction of the potential value the technology could bring, if only you could apply it at industrial scale to your industrial business, optimizing each step of every business process, removing waste, automating the processes intelligently and serving customers better. To do this, we believe DPDHL must build an industrialized AI capacity and capability in-house, so we're able to tackle the many thousands of opportunities for improvements across your business. You need to do so based on a composable MLOps solution that will allow the data science teams in DPDHL to continue to innovate at the edge. And you need to partner with HPE and NVIDIA to accelerate business value and reduce the risks of such projects. William Gibson once famously remarked that the future is already here, just not evenly distributed. AI is very definitely coming. We believe the future will lie with the organizations that are able to industrialize the process of building and deploying AI and machine learning models, so they're able to they're able to optimize each business process, whether that's container unloading, rationalizing supply chains, reducing carbon footprints, or driving net promoter and net easy scores. To deliver that, we also believe in partnership, a partnership to deliver sustainably between DPDHL, NVIDIA, and our team at HPE. Many thanks for your time.